Okay, had the oven on for about 3 or 4 minutes now. It's on about 350, and let's see when we light this guy up if it'll light. A lot of gas. There we go. And that's our burn pattern. This is the front one on high. Let's turn it down. That's turned on to medium. Now back up again. And let's try to turn another one on here. Let's see, I'll go for that back burner. Turn another one on here. And I'll turn this front right on. You can see that they settle out after a few minutes, where the oven has gotten warmer and these things settle in. The oven's still on 350, and let's turn the burner on again. And now they seem to have settled in a little bit.